Children, this is Shivalsis speaking. Children, as of now, we have already completed the syllabus of the final term examination. So here we are giving the revisions. We are going for the revisions on the chapter mensuration, chapter 11. So children, here in this particular video, we will be discussing about very important questions of exercise 11.2, question number 4 and 5, and in this particular video we will come to know about the various processes to find area, to calculate the area of rhombuses with measures of diagonals as well as the measures of its sides. So children, let us have a look. So children, here in this question number 4, it has been asked that the diagonal of a quadrilateral shaped field is 24 meter and the perpendicular dropped on it from the remaining opposite vertices are 8 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of the field. So children, here is the quadrilateral shaped field in which there is a diagonal. The measure of this diagonal is 24 meter and the perpendicular has been dropped from this opposite vertices. The measure of this perpendicular is 13 meter and measure of this perpendicular is 8 meter. So children, we have to find the area of this quadrilateral. So children, here the very first job is what? We will name this quadrilateral first. We'll name this quadrilateral. So as we all can see children, there is no process to find the area of this particular figure in a direct process. So what we have to do, we have to use our mind. There is two different triangles can be seen. The first one is triangle ABD, triangle ABD, and triangle BCD. I repeat, triangle ABD and triangle BCD. There are two different triangles can be seen. So what we will do children, first we'll find the area of this triangle ABD first. Then we will find the area of triangle BCD. And if we add the areas of these two different figures, we'll find the area of the complete one, the complete quadrilateral. So let us find the area of the triangle ABD first. So area of triangle ABD is half into base into height. Half into base into height is the formula of area of triangle. So here we can see the 24 centimeter is the base of triangle ABD, and if we give name, suppose E and this is F, AE is the perpendicular on BD. So simply we can solve using half into base means 24, height is 13. So 2 will be cancelling with this, it will be 12. So 12 into 13 can be calculated. 12 into 13, half into base into height, half into base was measuring 24, height was 13. So 12 into 13, 156 centimeters square. This is the area of triangle ABD. Now, we are going to find the area of another triangle, triangle BDC, in which the similar formula to be utilized, half into base into height. So children, half into base is measuring 24 and height is 8 centimeter. So this is what I'm going to cancel right now. 4 2s are 8. 4 into 24 is resulting 96 centimeters square. So here is the area of the first triangle ABD is 156 centimeters square and the area of another triangle is 96 centimeters square. So therefore, area of quadrilateral ABCD is 156 plus 96. We will add them up. 252 centimeters square. This is the area of this quadrilateral ABCD. This was one of the easiest sum of this exercise. So I believe it's clear to everyone. Now, in the next question, question number 5, there is a rhombus. The measure of the diagonals are given. It's a rhombus, children. We know the basic property of rhombus very well. That rhombus is a quadrilateral in which all the sides are of equal measures and diagonals falls on each other at right angle, perpendicular. So children, what are the measures of this rhombus over here? Diagonals are 7.5 and 12 centimeter. So this is 12 centimeter and this is 7.5. This is 12 centimeter and this is 7.5. So diagonal 1 is equal to 12 centimeter. This is D1 and this is D2. And diagonal 2 is measuring 7.5 centimeter. Children, as we all know that rhombus is a spatial parallelogram. So if this would have been, if we would have been given the measure of height and base, we could have easily calculated it. But we don't know the measure of height and base, but we know the measure of diagonals. So there is a direct process to solve the area of rhombus. Area of rhombus is equal to half into D1 into D2. So half into D1 means measuring 12, D2 is 7.5. I'll remove the point. I'll get 0. 6 to the 12. I'm having 6 into 75 by 10. 450 by 10. 450 I got by multiplying 6 and 75. 0 got cancelled. 45 centimeters square. This is the area of this rhombus. The measure of the diagonals are D1 and D2. The following measures are given and we would have calculated the area of this rhombus. So children, I believe it's clear to everyone. If there is any doubts or confusions, please feel free to speak to me. I'll be making another video for this. If there is any confusions, please drop your queries in the comment section of Google Classroom as well as in the WhatsApp group. Till then, thank you so much everyone. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.